Lane, postcode here for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. I'm going to show you around this brand new Swift Airway Platinum 480 model. It's one of our special editions based on the Swift Challenger 480 SE model. It comes with a fantastic specification including active trailer control, external gas barbecue point for outdoor cooking, access to the space under the front seats. That's useful and practical if you wish to retrieve things like a pair of walking boots, for example. It's even got an external power socket. Externally, it's got these hard-wearing GRP sides, including the roof and the underside. Half-cut diamond alloy wheels, as you can see, and it's got provision for an optional two-lane bike rack. Back end looks fantastic, even sports these automotive style LED light clusters. Let me show you around the interior. So, first impression as you walk in, it's a really big two-berth, the 480 model. Very, very spacious. It's got the Hecky roof light window. It's got the big panoramic window up front. Two colour lockers, LED lighting throughout. Fabric wall coverings, really to soften up the whole interior, make it feel really nice and warm. Cassette blinds incorporating night fly screens. Wooden effect, easy to clean flooring. You've got a tailored loose laid carpet mat set. It's got outer heating system to keep you warm in the winter months. It comes with the alarm system, and if you're off grid, it's even got a 100-watt solar panel. Nice big kitchen area here, including the wide cooking unit with the electric hot plate. You notice the unit just there, look, is nice and low, so your first impression as you walk in, very, very spacious. If you go that way, I'll show you the washroom facilities. So in here, look, it's a really, really bright place to be. Care of this really big window in the top. You've got wardrobe, locker system, loo with swivel seat and electric push button flush. And then you've got this super sized square shower. Plenty big enough for even a big guy like myself. Once again, it's Gary Broadlane. We offer great part exchange, finance subject to status, and on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.